Okay, so for this topic, we're looking at Cramer's rule to solve a 3 by 3 system of linear equations. And I think probably most of you are able to get this D matrix right here, right? Because all we're doing is we're taking the coefficients for the values of, or for the terms of the system. The only thing you need to be careful of is making sure that your variables are all aligned. So your x's are up, all aligned, your y's are all aligned, and your z's are all aligned. So we can say that the determinant of, or D is a determinant of the matrix that has 2, 5, and actually I need a little more space. -4 here in the first row, and then we've got -2, -4, and +1 in the second row, and then I've got 4, 3, 4 in the third row. Okay, so then we could use our graphing calculator to find that determinant. So let's do that. We're going to switch gears, go over to a graphing calculator. All right. And let's go ahead and go to the matrix. And let's actually edit matrix B to be the one we want. And we're going to go ahead and put the values in. So we got -2, -2, 5, -4, and then -2, -4, 1, and then 4, 3, 4. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and quit. So second quit here. And I always look at what I put in because I'm famous for making a keystroke error. So I'm going to go back into that matrix menu and go to names and just take a look at what did I put in. Does this match up with what I had hoped it would look like? And it looks good. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do is go to the matrix math and find the determinant. So I'm going to hit determinant, and it's asking determinant of what? And so I'm going to put in the matrix that I just entered. So go back to names, and that was matrix B. And I'm going to find that the determinant here is 58. So let's go back to our screen, and we will say that this is equal to 58. Okay, so that's going to be our denominator for all of the variables. Okay, so now how do I find the determinant I need for a specific variable? Well, this is pretty easy if you know what you're doing. Okay, and so we're going to look at what we're solving for, and we're solving for x. That means that the column that represents x, which is this one, is going to be replaced with the constants, okay, which is this. Okay, so the determinant we're going to find here is going to be, the first column is going to be -4, +4, and 0. And the rest of the matrix, that's bad. The rest of the matrix is going to look exactly the same. So the second column is 5, -4, 3. Third column is -4, 1, 4. Okay, so I'm going to find what this is. Let's go back to our graphing calculator. We're just going to use the same matrix, but then replace that first column. So let's go back there. And we're going to go to matrix. And we're going to edit matrix B so that our first column is going to be -4. And then that's going to be a +4 on the second row of the first column. And the last row of that first column is going to be 0. All right, enter. Okay, so let's quit that and let's go back to matrix. So we want the determinant. So we're going to go to the math menu, hit determinant, and we're going to find the determinant of matrix B, which is, we have to actually ask for matrix B. All right, and see what that comes up with, and we're looking at negative 52. All right, so what do we got? That means that this piece here is negative 52, and D on the bottom is positive 58. All right, and so we would just simplify that fraction to get our output. Let's see, so I think that becomes negative 26 over 29. All right, and so that's how you would find a specific value. And then if you were wanting to find Z, for example, you would replace the values of the coefficients that are in front of the Z, which is that third column. All right, hope this helps you, and I'll talk to you later.